Center for Climate Change Economics and Policy, or CCCEP as we know it, was established in October 2008 to advance both private and public action on climate change through rigorous and innovative research. CCCEP is hosted by the London School of Economics and Political Science and the University of Leeds. It is funded by the UK Economic and Social Research Council and chaired by Sir Nicholas Stern. In Leeds, CCCEP is hosted by the Sustainability Research Institute in the School of Earth and Environment. In our first 5-year term, we made key contributions on the use of climate models in decision making, on effective climate change governance at the global level, on econometric evaluation of mitigation policies, on identification of vulnerability hotspots and prioritization of adaptation measures, and on the design and functioning of carbon markets. We are now in the first year of our second 5-year term, which we have structured around 5 research themes that cut across climate change mitigation and adaptation. The first theme looks at climate compatible development and green growth to understand what is the potential and limitation of these concepts in developing countries. In the second theme, we are looking at how we could unlock financial flows for investments, both in mitigation and adaptation, and how could we evaluate the implications of such flows. The third theme explores how can we evaluate the performance of different climate mitigation and adaptation policies, and what is the scope for policy learning in different contexts. The fourth theme looks at how we can assess, manage, and communicate risks and uncertainties to do with climate change so as to improve the provision of climate services. And finally, the fifth theme is looking at the scope for dramatic cuts in emissions and adaptation to significant climate change. That is, we are seeking to understand how we could shift gears from current slow progress towards rapid transitions, both in mitigation and adaptation.